guys, good morning. It's another day, another laag na naman guys. So, punta kaming Boracay ngayon guys. So, ng oras na. It's 3:23 AM na guys. So, yung flight namin is 6 AM. So, bagabag na lang kayo guys. Gisingin ko muna. Kita-kita lang tayo sa airport. Bye!
I put my feet up and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
So, touchdown na kami sa ito sa Terminal 3 ng Naiya. So, wala kasi direct flight from Cagayan to Katiklan. So, may bali dalawang sakayan ko yun. So, from Manila to Katiklan Airport. So, hinta lang tayo sa boarding natin. Breakfast muna tayo. Hanap na tayo dito sa Terminal 3. Let's go, Boracay! So, hi guys. Good morning. So, nandito na kami sa Terminal 3. So, we're back again at Chili's guys. So, breakfast muna kami sa Chili's. So, ito yung, ano to? Favorite ni Mrs. at Chili's. So, mamaya pa yung boarding time namin. So, breakfast muna kami. So, yun. DIY lang talaga to. Tapos, di namin alam kung ano yung gagawin namin doon. Magbubook muna kami ng mga activities while kumakain. So, I hope may makita tayo sa Klook guys ng anong activities ang pwede natin gawin mamaya or bukas guys pagdating ng Boracay. So, yun lang. Hintay lang tayo. Breakfast muna tayo guys.
We're back here. Favorite spot ni Riza. Unexpected to. They're supposed to land Cebu Airport, but we are redirected to Manila. And we're so happy!
This moment, can we stay here forever? Forever.
Saan tayo ma? Arrival Boracay, Katiklan Airport guys. So, dito na tayo. So, DIY lang tayo ngayon guys. So, mahangin ngayon guys, mahangin. Ay, saan tayo ma? Boracay. So, anong oras? Parang nasa 45 minutes. 45 to 1 hour. Dito to Katiklan Airport, guys. So, welcome to Katiklan Airport! DIY tayo guys. So, check natin kung yung babayaran. So, ikot muna tayo guys. So, may mga hotel bookings tayo na pick up, transport. So, dito sila guys. Saan tayo ma? Boracay. So, dito kami mag-celebrate ng Valentine's Day naman para maiba daw. So, yun. Yung way papuntang labas. So, may mga van dito guys, nakaabang. may mga bookings kayo, if nag-avail kayo ng mga transfer from Katiklan Airport to Boracay, Jetty Port. So, ngayon, DIY lang muna tayo guys. Check natin. Southeast Tours, so yung mga welcome to Boracay. So, ito yung sasakyan natin guys, going to Jetty Port. So, commute tayo. DIY lang talaga to guys. So, check natin kung ano, magkano yung babayaran. 150. So, babayaran pala guys is 150, dalawa. So, ito yung sasakyan natin guys, papuntang Jetty Port. Oops, oops. Let's go. Go. 150, dalawa. Isang rela guys. So, we're going to the Jetty Port. So, commute lang tayo guys. Binayaran namin is 150. Good for two. So, solo namin yung motor guys. Star blue talaga guys. Talaga. Clear na clear. Crystal clear. So, pag pumunta kayo dito, so from Manila to Katiklan Airport, around 45 to 1 hour yung biyahe. Tapos yun, mag-DIY lang kami. Kumuha kami ng ticket, 150, dalawa na, so 75 each. Yung motor nila dito guys. So kami lang yung sakay. Going to the port, Jetty Port. So doon guys, nag-avail na kami ng Boracay AIPA. So doon nag-fill up na kami online. Check natin kung ano yung takbo ng Boracay AIPA guys. So hindi na kami mag-fill up doon pagdating ng port. Kapapakita na lang yung QR code. So, welcome to Boracay.
Don't listen to the cold wind roll. We still love vagabond heart. You don't have to go. The end was there right from the start.
So, ano yung advantage mo? So, tuloy-tuloy yung may mag-a-assist, tuloy-tuloy na hassle-free. Ano ba? Wala lang ano to. So, hanapin lang natin yung MB card. So, binigyan tayo ng dalawang parang seat number yata to. So, ganun lang kadali guys. So, at least may natutunan kayo. So, pag pumunta pala kayo dito guys, Boracay AIPA, maganda. So, advantage talaga pag nag-fill up na kaysa dito pa kayo mag-fill up, dito pa kayo magbayad. So, what if mahaba yung pila? So, waste of time. Kung naka-Boracay AIPA kayo guys, so lahat, tuloy-tuloy na guys. Di ba hassle-free? So, check natin pagdating doon, ano naman yung advantage ng naka-Boracay AIPA o wala. So, sabi ni Sir, pagdating daw, punta lang kami sa parang half-on, half-off bus nila. Lakas ng hangin guys. Iba yung weather ngayon. Takot yarn. Welcome to Boracay. Ang binigay seat number 1617. Ay moms. Nandito na tayo guys. So is may mga special trip guys. So dito may mga resort na may own na mga speedboat guys. Then, pero yung mga naka-commute lang guys dito guys. So punta na tayo. sa labas para mahanap yun natin yung package natin sa Boracay Heights. Ma, saan tayo, ma? So, na-board, guys. Na-board. Board na board. So, welcome to the island of Boracay. So, yung advice namin, guys, kumuha kayo ng Boracay Pass. Madali. Wala nang ano to. Straight na yung ano to. Yung pagsakay, paghatid. Wala na. Wala ka na ano to. Check-in na kami. So, welcome to Paris and Blue Water Resort. So, may golf, basketball, pickleball, ano pa ma? Yung mga court dito. Tennis court. Food court, lahat ng court meron. So, ito yung nasa loob, guys. So, check-in muna tayo. Hi guys! Ito yung room namin guys sa Fairway. So, papakita ko lang sa inyo guys. Ito yung superior room nila guys. So, may dalawang bed. Tapos ito may TV. Tapos heater, complimentary, tubig, sugar, coffee. Meron na yan lahat. Tapos, ano ba to? Saan ba tayo? Golf area. Yung balcony natin. Dito may golf area. Tapos ano pa ba? So yan, may bayad yan lahat Hindi free yan. Ito yung mga price niyan. Papunta tayo sa may CR. So ito, may malaking salamin guys. Tapos may hair dryer. Kompleto. May baso, tissue. Tapos ito. Of course, may bidet, towel. Tapos ito yung shower nila guys. So wala siyang bathtub pero goods na din. May malaking sa amin, kompleto. May extra pillow, safe box, ano ba ba ito? So yun lang yung nakuha naming room. So nagbook kami through Klook lang guys. So na lang kayo. Tapos gamitin nyo lang promo code ko RLD Klook. Practice lang yun guys. So yun lang. Hi guys, good afternoon. So, papunta kami ng beachfront. Tapos may activity kami ngayon. Yung oras is 3 o'clock yung meet up. Yung call time, anong oras na? 3:05. Hopefully, mag-aabot. Yung meet up place daw is Muni Muni Beachfront. Hi! So we're having nag-book kami sa Klook ng Red Wave na acoustic sunset. So hintayin lang tayo kasi 3:20 pala yung mag-start. So hintayin lang tayo sa boat. Hintayin tayo sa ibang clients nila. So nandito kami sa Muni Muni. So beachfront talaga siya. So yan, Station 2. One of the busiest na station dito sa Boracay. So medyo mahangin daw ngayon. So yun. So picture muna bago mag-start yung party sa boat. Picture, smile! Boracay! So So, picture muna si Madam. So, papunta na kami sa Red Wave boat. Yung party boat nila.
Bale, mag-ride tayo ng speedboat.
So, magra-ride ng speedboat papunta sa bangka nila, guys. Yun. Yun. Mapula na boat.
Nauli ko, Anay.
Ayun.
Too much?
Itis ko natin.
Okay.
Oh, thank you.
May free na popcorn. Saka juice. Yun guys, so ganda ng view guys. Yan yung view. Maganda yung view. Pag tumingin ka, akin ka. Patay, hindi tumingin. Patay tayo niyan guys.
Where you are.
Do you see the net at the boat side of this boat? That net is used for picture taking and for relaxing only.
So why that look on your face, the tears in your eyes? I feel the seed of doubt, but I'm telling no lie. Oh, it's so strong when I'm trying to hold on. I just wanna be by your side and see your face. Just pick the time and place. So baby, I'll do what it takes to testify. I'll bring you all the proof that you can't deny. So take me to court and I'll testify that I love you, baby. You're the only one, so no wonder why. If I can't have you, I just wanna die. So take me to court and
Guys, so ito pala yung Red Wave na sunset cruise guys sa Boracay. So one of the activities na pwede nyo gawin dito guys is ito. So yun, may acoustic lang, tapos may only pika-pika, only juice, only popcorn guys. So once pumunta kayo, book nyo to sa Klook. Gamitin nyo yung promo code ko RLD Travels. Joke lang, practice lang yun.
It's a fine line between giving up and to let go. Just let go. No more words, I just let it show. Just pick the time and place. Oh, baby, I'll do what it takes to testify. I'll bring you all the proof that you can't deny. So take me to court and I'll testify.
Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I?
I could be the twister, make you stop. The icing on your cake, the cherry on the top. It's heaven in my heart, and we could find some space. 'Cause I make it so easy to fall in love. So come give me a call and fall into love. Yeah.
Okay guys, nag-book kami sa ano to, club nung helmet dive tsaka parasailing. So, nandito na kami sa Astoria, yung meeting place. Tapos yun, register muna kami. Hopefully, hindi kami matakot guys. By the way, happy Valentine's pala sa lahat dyan. Yun mga happy Valentine's. So, we're going to the speedboat. Ano ma? So yun, nag-register muna si Kuya. Para sailing. Hope di siya matakot guys. So hintay na lang tayo. Hintay tayo guys kasi may kasamahan pa tayo. Kasi 6 daw kami. So marami silang inaalok dito guys. So lahat ng activities dito sa Boracay inaalok ko. So if wala pa kayo, okay lang. If nag-book din kayo sa club, okay din. If nag-book kayo sa kanilang page mismo, okay din. So depende na lang kung saan kayo ano to. Happy Valentine's guys. Valentine's o Halloween? Sunblock muna. Bago yung aftermath. Okay. Let's go. Yun. Matirik na matirik. Ama. Good na yung weather guys. May mga lumot din. Pero kakonte lang. So, yung mga island hopping tours dyan. So, yun. Maaga sila guys sulok. Yun. Island hopping. Island hopping. Wave. The wave is good. The wave is good. Okay. Sana yun. So, let's go. Boarding na yan guys. Boarding. 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 Sir. Yun. Let's go. Parasailing.
Feet in the sand. Ooh, so free. Palm trees sway, just you and me. Waves are calling, it's begun. Living life on the island in the sun. Dance, dance under the sky. Feel the heat, just you and I. This is our perfect getaway fun.
Happy Valentine's! Gabi mo ba? Nagkakising na. Oh my God! Ganda. Boracay guys. So, pag pumunta kayo dito guys, tayo nyo to guys. Yeah, must try. Must
try these activities, guys. Dinok lang namin to sa Klook. Thank you, Klook. So for discount, use my code RLD Klook. Joke lang. Practice lang, guys.
Helmet diving. Sulit to guys, sulit. So, pag nag-book kayo guys, book nyo lang sa page nila or sa Klook. Helmet diving guys. One of the activities na pwede nyo i-book dito sa Boracay. So, kain muna kami dito sa Inasal. Chicken Inasal. So, yan guys. Kain ito yung bangs... Ano ito ba? Ano to?
Kansi.
Kansi.
It's a cherry
Kansi.
soup with pork.
So, yung chicken Inasal nila guys. Tsaka yung inasal ko guys. So ito yung D-Mall guys. So hanapin natin yung Ubi Mama. Uy, yun. May hot mama ako nakita. May hot mama. Sundan natin. Baka alam na yung Ubi Mama. Yun. Para nakita ko na yung Ubi Mama from the makers of Coco Mama. Yun, nakita din. Same price. 320 pesos. So, try natin yung Ubi Mama, Hot Mama. May Ubi Mama, may Hot Mama. So, nakita namin guys. So, try natin kasi nga hype siya sa Facebook, hype siya sa social media. So, try natin to. Okay, rate natin guys.
Manggumama man itong gabi, no?
Ba? Sarap kaysa
Hindi kasi ube. We're expecting ice cream or good.
wala eh, mabigit siya.
Hindi ice cream sa sulod.
Boracay guys, nandito kami sa may foam party daw. So check natin kung ano itong ano? Bintana. So airways and blue water. So check natin yung foam party. Wow. Yeah, go.
Happy Valentine's!
Happy Valentine's!
Coco Pandan is a kind of leaf and tropical plant at eastern vanilla. Party! Dalawa?
Guys, check natin kung masarap pa talaga si Coco Mama. Shopping muna guys. Si Coco Mama nag-shopping guys. Kita kain na ng Coco Mama. Siya, shopping si Coco Mama. Yun lang. Oh, shopping. Shopping. Ito yung Coco ko, yan yung mama ko. Wow! Happy Valentine's! Yun! Naka-shopping. Yan! Happy Valentine's!
Our flower.
Wala na flower. Coco Mama lang, sapat na.
Masamet ako sa...
Coco. Abog kayo? Mataas yung ring. Kailan i-adjust? Adjust mo talaga yung pagtapon ng bola.
celebrated. Oh yes, how sweet it is to be loved by you. It's just like sugar sometimes. How sweet it